OSCR has a strongly bullish short-term trend, all within a bullish long-term trend, up 8.47%. This is Tuesday, the 7th of October, 2025. Intraday high in yesterday's trading session, $25.69. The stock was trending at some point as discussions heat up around the company's potential exposure to upcoming Affordable Care Act subsidy extension decisions and the looming government shutdown risk. Traders are aware highlighting how these macro events could impact the health insurance sector and specifically the company's growth trajectory. Within the community, bullish sentiment is strong. Many see the Affordable Care Act subsidy extensions as a potential short term catalyst that could boost the company's enrollment numbers and revenue outlook. Optimists argue that any policy stability around healthcare subsidies would reinforce the company's market position and could trigger momentum-driven breakout, especially given the company's, or rather given the stock's recent technical setup. Some traders are even calling for a short squeeze, pointing to a high call option activity and a relatively tight float. Yeah, that will be a gamma squeeze. On the flip side, bearish voices are urging caution. They highlight the company's continued dependence on government-backed programs and question whether profitability can be sustained if subsidies face political pressure or budgetary delays. Concerns also center on the company's valuation after its recent rally, suggesting that any negative policy surprises or a prolonged government shutdown could trigger a pullback. Adding to the buzz, technical traders analyzing cup and handle patterns and key resistance levels around recent highs. Some are watching for confirmation above 17 to $18 as a potential breakout zone. Okay, so it's already at $24. Okay, and even printed an intraday high of 25.69, while some others warn of profit taking near those levels. We haven't seen that. Okay, well, in any case, that's what's going on technically. Okay, see the underlying trend is bullish, short-term trend, strongly bullish. Okay, so we can say that the extrapolation is saying that the strength will remain in place up till Thursday. It's looking like that's been satisfied already. Yeah, in the interim. Okay, but this hasn't reflected. This is the daily chart. It hasn't reflected what's going on. This in 8% gain. So we have to go to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, we have strength is expected to also remain in place at least up to the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 8th of October. Then after that, it may go into a contraction all the way towards Friday the 10th pre-market session. Projections are saying 21.49. It's a downward projection. Yeah, it's a downward projection currently. But we have this 25 intraday high, 25.69. One, it's an upper projection. Let's see what we had earlier on. As of the 12th of September, we had 23.67, 25.60, 26.80. And indeed, some downward projections, 17.53, $18, 18.77. Yeah. Price pressure momentum, what we have here is saying that the 10 and 21 period moving averages are robustly trending. No derivative is negative. Positions opened all the way back 40 hours ago, still in profit. All the ones opened all the way back 84 hours ago, still in profit. Yeah, if you go all the way back to 800 hours ago, they're all in profit. I think so. Yeah, all the way back to those sessions. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what's going on. If there's much activity going on right now, there's activity going on. People are trading. You can see they want to sell. They're selling at 24.64. That's not aggression. Yeah, they are quite passive. Yeah, because the current price is 25, 24. Okay, they are, it's looking aggressive. Yeah, looking quite aggressive, I think. Getting aggressive, yeah. Getting volatile, rather. 24.50. Yeah, that looks like aggression. Yeah. But yeah, there's aggression, but passive hands are also here as well. Passive hands are here as well. Yeah, so that's what's going on. The prospects of extending, I believe they said Obama has already done. Sorry, Trump has already extended the Affordable Care Act. I think, yeah, the subsidy is probably has extended it. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. The stock is currently trending right now, where it was trending earlier on. So I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.